Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Avery mailing labels in Adobe Illustrator. Previously, I created a tutorial on how to set up mailing labels in Microsoft Word. However, many viewers requested a tutorial for Adobe Illustrator as well. The good news is that setting up mailing labels in Illustrator is actually easier and gives you more control over the layout. So, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator. Then click on Create New File. You'll see several document size options. Since we're working with Avery mailing labels, select letter size because the label sheet is designed for letter size paper. After that, click Create. Once the new document opens, you can zoom in or out by holding Ctrl+Alt and scrolling your mouse wheel. Now we need to create the label box. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. Click once on the artboard. A dialog box will appear. Set the width to 2.625 inches and the height to 1 inch. Then click OK. This is the standard Avery mailing label size. Next, we'll add the address. Select the text tool and type the address you want to print. For this demonstration, I'm using a USCIS address. Try to break the address into 3 lines to make it look cleaner and more professional. Once the address is typed, select the text. If you'd like to change the font, choose Times New Roman from the font menu. It's a professional looking font that works well for mailing labels. You can make the first line bold if you wish, or leave it as regular text. Set the font size to 12 points so the address is clear and readable when printed. Now we need to center the text inside the label. Select both the text and the rectangle. Use the alignment tools to align the text both horizontally and vertically in the center of the label. Next, we'll create copies of the label. Select both the rectangle and the text. Press Enter on your keyboard or double-click the Move tool. The Move dialog box will appear. Set the horizontal value to 2.75 and the vertical value to 0. Then click Copy. A duplicate label will appear. Now press Ctrl+D. Illustrator will repeat the same move and create additional copies. Keep pressing Ctrl+D until you have completed a full row of labels. Next, select the entire row. Press Enter again. This time set horizontal 0, vertical 1. Then click Copy. Press Ctrl+D repeatedly to create additional rows. Continue until the page contains a total of 30 mailing labels. Now select all the labels. Press Ctrl+G to group them. This makes it easier to move and manage the entire layout. With everything selected, open the alignment panel. Choose Align to Artboard. Then click Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. This will perfectly center the entire label layout on the page. Now for the final step. Select one of the rectangle borders. Go to Select. Same. Appearance. This will select all rectangle borders at once. Now press Ctrl+5. The rectangle outlines will disappear. Don't worry, they are only being hidden from printing. The label positions remain exactly the same. When you print on Avery mailing label paper, only the addresses will print. The borders will not appear. Each address will be perfectly centered within its label, and that's it. This is how you can easily set up Avery mailing labels in Adobe Illustrator. Once everything looks correct, press Ctrl+P, select your printer, then click Print. Your mailing labels are now ready to print. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and let me know what Illustrator tutorial you'd like to see next. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. For more technology tips, Adobe Illustrator tutorials, and computer guides, I'm Syed. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.